Hello everyone, and welcome back. That didn't do too bad. It actually fired the first pull. It took quite a few more to get it to start, but I don't even think I maybe started it last year. We never used it. When ice fishing last year, we took Zachary's out. Well, it's just about that time of year again. It's the middle of December right now. Looking at my ice fishing report stuff, it looks like mainly there's 8 inches of ice kind of on the lakes. I'm sure there's a little more now up north. But now we're going through a week or so here where it's real mild. After the holidays get done and we get into January, that's when I like to go ice fishing. There's more ice on the lake. It's just safer. There's more time because my work slows down. But now is definitely the time to start looking at everything, making sure everything is in its place. I have a good feeling that Santa Claus is bringing me a new portable fish house this year. I have it on good authority from Santa's elves that I've been being good this year. Which will help out a lot for fishing, because for the last couple of years I haven't had a fish house, so I could only go out when Zach went out. That other one that I had just got pretty much totally destroyed. It was falling apart, so new one of those coming, so I'm excited to get back out on the ice. With Melissa living up here in Minnesota now, that won't be, if I do go down to Louisiana, it won't be for nearly as long. So most of the winter, if not all of the winter, I'm going to be up here, which plenty of time then to go ice fishing. Also, January here will be the winter trip. I may go up to the tent a couple times this winter because I'll have more time on my hands, and I really enjoy it up there. So as long as I've got enough wood to burn, no reason not to go up there. So everybody stay tuned. Right now you get into that null period between deer hunting, and then it used to be winter trip. Well, now we'll have the deer hunting, which is finished, and then of course we'll have ice fishing and winter trip, and yeah, winter's here. It's exciting. Ebner's Bait, they closed down this year after I don't know how many years they've been in business. 60 some, I don't know, it was for a long time. So that was the place where I'd always buy my sticks like this. Luckily I have a few of these because I find them really hard to find in any other store. They had all of them have these things, which I don't have any want to really use. I've got some, but these are my favorite right here. I'm pretty sure I'll have ice fishing videos on both channels. If I'm going by myself, or if Zachary's going with me, I'll put them over on Joe and Zach. And when Melissa and I go, and we're definitely going to be going this year, and those lakes will be different because they're going to be up just south of Duluth and that Cloquet area, lakes I've never fished before. Even Zach and I are going to go up and do some fishing there too. But when I'm just out with Melissa, I'll put those on Northern Seclusion, and when I'm out with Zach, I'll put them on Joe and Zach Survival. I'll be having some more of the workshop videos. My dad has been out here working on this. He's actually changed it a little bit. He had a different top on here. And now this is Sanity's going through a few things right now that we have to get taken care of. And then he'll be back out here in the workshop. He said the next table after he gets this one done is probably the most complicated little table he's ever made. He's told me a little bit about it. He's got some drawings here. Like I said, he said it's going to be the most complicated one. I know it's a table that's going in the corner at the Backwoods Cabin. And the table that he has, when you set your coffee down or whatever, it's so far back. So he wants part of it that pulls out in the front to set stuff on. But when you slide it back in, you don't know that it does that. Looks like he's going to do some of the starburst type stuff. We'll see. Everything changes as it goes, but that's his initial idea. So stay tuned, everybody. More videos on Joe and Zach Survival will be coming up real soon. I will see you guys on the next video.